Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing chaos or fast. Do not stall. Run the highest yield nodes and clear daily dungeon runs to stack ore. Once done, check your inventory and note conversion ratios. This tells you how many uses you'll get. Make sure to assign a reliable farming champion with speed or sustain to minimize wipes during repetitive clears. You want predictable runs, not risky experiments. With ore incoming and a stable farmer, you're ready to move into actual crafting and enhancement steps. Now you convert chaos ore into usable materials and craft what matters. You should follow recipes exactly. If a craft requires 5 ore, collect multiples so you can batch 3 or more at once. Once done, batch upgrades to save on catalysts or spare materials and to reduce time sinks. Make sure to prioritize items that improve your farm speed or damage output, because that accelerates future ore acquisition. If you optimize crafting order, you both conserve resources and increase return on investment over time. Finish by applying your crafted pieces and testing immediately in low-risk content. You want to confirm the expected gains. If performance underwhelms, audit the interactions. Sometimes a stat mismatch or wrong roll ruins the plan, so re-roll or reforge if available. Make sure to verify conversion math and that you didn't burn ore on low-priority items. Shortages often come from secondary resources, not ore itself. A key troubleshooting tip: when in doubt, revert to small batches and retest before committing large amounts of chaos ore.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.